That was weird. Kind of pull it out of the air.
All aspiring pilots need to start somewhere. That somewhere needs to be a challenging yet simplified aircraft. And of course, have space for an instructor to beat some sense into you. Enter the Nanshang CJ-6, an indigenous Chinese trainer with Russian roots. Will the FMS version fly like a trainer? Well, let's find out. Real quick before we get started, I just wanted to mention that the HobbyView apparel store is open. Show your support for this channel with HobbyView branded shirts, caps, mugs, and more. Just go to hobbyview.myspreadshop.com. Flight day would show me sharing the field at a local warbird fly-in. It might be a little busy, but the mild and sunny day was just too good to pass up.
Ooh. Okay, we have the FMS CJ-6 all-wheel drive. Military trainer. Doing quite well in the grass. Look at that. It's taxiing like a storm. That's for the control check. All right, here we go. Come on, here we go. Stuck a little bit. He's up quick. Gear up. Yeah, we got a little bit of a wind pickup here. And it's up and flying really nice. We'll cut back to about half throttle. I think we got a thermal that popped up.
My comfort level was instantly high with the CJ-6.
Let's go full tick, see what it does on the vertical. Not bad. It's still going. Not a bullet, but I think it's pretty much unlimited. Just see if it'll do a spin here. Slow spin to the left. I'm gonna bring it back up, try one to the right. Huh. Okay, I may need a little more rudder throw for that, but I think I'm reverse pattern. Try a roll. To the left, to the right. Nice little loop. Try a snap roll. There we go. That's the good stuff. Try another one. There we go.
I just needed to keep an eye out for other aircraft.
Ooh, somebody take off. All right, I'm going to take it up, try some low speed, see what it does. Installs. Cut the throttle. Did some up. There we go. Full up elevator. Yeah, very nice. That's full up elevator. It's just mushing. All right, I'm gonna bring it around again. Try with flaps. Now I'm gonna hit one notch of flaps. Up. There's full up elevator. About the same. It's kind of falling off to the right a little bit. That was half flap. I'm gonna try again with full flap. Full flap. Power off. Full up. Wow, actually makes a difference. It's a surprising amount of lift. It's sort of popping back up.
Worked better than expected.
That's pretty cool. That little center flap is pretty neat.
A nice beauty shot for the camera shows the distinctive lines of the CJ-6.
Okay, with a partial flap, I'm going to do a slow flyby. Not slow, but doesn't really pitch up or anything. That's pretty neat. I'm going to try it again with full flaps.
Well, technically it's just one flap, though it seemed to pull double duty in providing a boost in lift.
That's very well behaved. Yeah, let's try some inverted.
Inverted flying was plenty stable despite the extra dihedral.
Go up. Do stall turn. There we go. Let's see what else.
I just had to see if I could fly it apart.
Let's bring it down. It's sort of a blender. I want to bring it up and try something weird. All right, I want to try to thrust reverse. Then bring it up, throttle back, hit the switch, thrust reverse. Unreverse. That was weird. I kind of pulled it out of the air.
But came right out of it when power was cut.
That was cool.
Let's see that again. It looks like to be some sort of inverted torque roll spin maneuver thing.
All right, bring it in. Really over the hill. I'll do full flaps. Come on, baby. There we go. Whee! And she's down. The wind changed direction again. Oop. And she's down. There it is. The FMS CJ-6. Very, very nice handling plane. Quite aerobatic, easy handling plane.
After landing, my cameraman had an idea.
Maybe. Can I back it in?
Likely the grass was causing the tail to drag down.
Yeah, I can't quite steer it.
The reverse mode also had me curious how effective it would be in reducing landing distance. So I decided to give it a try. My first attempt was not very dignified, and a bit too fast on approach.
Try that again.
Second attempt was much better. One last time for posterity.
No surprise that I quite like this model. I think it's colorful and quite distinctive. Plus it flies great. Now it would make a great first wing model, and it's also a nice size for easy transportation without disassembly. Now the FMS CJ-6 has no bad habits, and the stock power setup is more than adequate to keep things interesting. The thrust reversing is quite entertaining to use both in the air and on the ground. No doubt that'll be very useful on paved runways.
I would go right to left, man.
Right to left?
Yep.